Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Card Easy Guide. Set up columns for date, description, debit, credit, and balance before you enter transactions. Record each transaction promptly, noting amounts accurately and categorizing by type. Regularly reconcile your ledger with bank statements to catch errors early. Highlight recurring items with a symbol to simplify monthly reviews. Keep entries concise and consistent to make organized transactions by type and priority to stay on top of cash flow and obligations. Use consistent dating and descriptions so you can search entries quickly when needed. Calculate running balances after each entry to avoid surprises and spot overdrafts early. Use color codes or symbols for taxes, bills, and savings to speed monthly reviews. Back up your ledger data regularly and keep a paper copy for extra security always. Review your ledger weekly to catch mistakes and update budget projections. Compare ledger totals to bank and credit card statements to reconcile differences. Adjust category allocations when spending patterns change to keep your financial plan realistic. Use totals to set short and long-term goals, tracking progress monthly. Consider using a template or spreadsheet with formulas to reduce manual math and minimize entry errors. Share a copy with your accountant before tax season. Make small corrections promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.